Hello, I'm Deborah, and this is my partner, Brianna.
You can call me Bri Bri.
All right, we'll call her Bri Bri. Or Bri. And today we are unboxing Touchstone crystal jewelry that has come to us. So the first thing is, what is this one?
Ray of the Sunshine necklace.
Oh, that's just gonna be, I love sunshine too. And I just think this Ray of Sunshine necklace is going to be, I don't think we're gonna, I think it's too bright for you to look at right now, don't you?
It looks pretty.
It is beautiful.
We have to look in the book.
Oh, no, let's let them see it right here. I think that is awesome. That little ray of sunshine is great.
It does.
And it is on sale in the month of July. Thank you, Brianna. Oh, wow, how nice is that? Okay, let's do something else. Let us look at, what is that?
It's called the pathway earrings.
Oh.
Because you walk through a pathway and you have earrings on sometimes.
Sometimes.
You get it?
Yeah, I do get it. And,
oh gosh. These are so pretty.
I think, you know what? I'm just gonna have to put one of them on so they can see how beautiful they are. They are absolutely pretty. And I think you are right, Brianna. Sometimes you walk through life on a pathway and you want your earrings to go with you. Yes. Okay. And I think we should open one more thing today.
And this is called the lovely Lena earrings.
These are Lena earrings, and I would say one of my favorite items. They are showcased on my website.
And these have big old rubies.
Yes. Sparkle coming and going. Nice. So, I think that's it for today.
I think that's it for today.
Did you want to say goodbye to our audience?
Bye, audience. I miss you so much. Mwah! And bye, and I hope you'll see you tomorrow.